Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we will see current feelings of your person. As you can see, there are two pies. First one is rose pink squad, second one is this evil eye. Whichever you like, you can select one of them after meditation. Thank you so much. Hi, welcome back. Pile number 1, whoever has chosen this pink rose quartz, and this person is in love with you, I guess. So let's check out your cards. 3 of Pentacle and 6 of Wands. Firstly, I can see that this person can be from your workspace. This can be your boss. You are working under this person. This person can either be in a third party situation, married to someone else, or with someone else, or dating, or in a long term relationship with someone else. So you have met this person through work, or this person is very popular. They can be very popular on social media, or you work together, you are in the same team, something like that. So their current feelings are they wanted to work on this relationship right now with you, and with the 6 of Wands they want victory with you. They feel very much attached to you. They want to move ahead in this relationship. They think that now you are not interested in them, something like that. Okay, this message is also coming. Let's move ahead and clarify the cards. So these are your cards: Page of Swords, 10 of Wands, Ace of Cups, 9 of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle, and the Tower. So somehow this person is either this person's mom is against this relationship, or can be possible that this person is married or liable to pay some amount of money to someone who is family to them. They have a girl child, something like that. Any which ways, this person is stalking you on social media. They are checking each and every moment of yours, your pictures, your videos, whatever you post, they are checking that. They are very much burdened, and still they love you a lot. With the Ace of Cups, they have lot of emotions for you. They are crying for you. They are seeing you in this light of 9 of Pentacle, that you are single, you are happy, you are working on yourself, you are doing good in your career, you are doing self-love. Now they wanted to approach you. So it is possible that this person's friends or any family member would try to call you, text you, message you, something like that. Or this person can be dealing with a third party, which they just want to leave because it is like a burden for them. They don't have a vibe together, and you are the one who fulfills them. They will leave the third party 100% with the Tower, or they are going through a divorce, or they are going through a property matter. That is also a message that is coming over here. Suddenly this person will surprise you. They will come to you, they will speak to you, they will call you or text you, email you, or they can surprise you with a gift, something like that. This surprise can make you very happy. Your relationship has ended. The same way it will come back to you in a surprise manner, and you will be very happy. You will be very content. They wanted to put in a lot of efforts in this relationship. This third party can be very manipulating. This can be this person's mother, this person can be this person's wife, husband, anyone. Let's see the advice cards for you. They have lot of passion for you guys. They think about you, they crave you. In the morning they think about you a lot. And with the 10 of Swords, either the third party will cheat them, or this person will file for a mutual divorce, or this person will break up with that third party and then come to you. They will travel towards you. If they have promised you that they will come, definitely they will travel towards you and come to meet you. Right now separation is going on, don't worry about it, but they will come with this want. They wanted to work on this relationship. They want a new beginning with you. Somehow this person is very much attracted to you. They wanted to give another chance to you guys. That's what advice is. If you want, you can keep this person. Another message is coming, and if you want, you can go with another one. If you have found someone else, you can just leave this person. If you feel that you like this person and you want this person in your life, just go for a sound healing. You can buy this Chinese bowl and just listen to these sounds. It will heal your energy. It will take you out of this negative energy wherein you can't sleep or you have so much of tension. You are very much thinking about your marriage, your future, everything. Just relax, just be calm. This sound healing will help you. This is the advice from your spirit guides. The extra messages for you is addiction. They can be codependent on that third party, or they can be codependent on you, but still they are obsessing over you and they wanted to control all the situation by their own. That is the problem. That is why this tower is over here. Whatever blockages is there, they will remove it and come to you. With the ascending card, they are transforming. Universe is showing them lot of angel numbers, your names everywhere. That is why they are going to transform. Their Kundalini awakening is going on, I guess. So whatever the obstacles are there in the relationship, it will vanish and this person will come into a new phase and you will be in union with this person. With the love call, they will definitely gonna call you or text you or something like that. They will express their love. If this is a person you're crushing on, this person definitely express their love to you. They are thinking about you and they want to let you know that this person loves you a lot. Let's check out some personal messages. Attraction. This person is attracted towards you so much that they can't take their eyes off from your social media. I love your eyes. This person loves your eyes. You have beautiful eyes, I guess. Hazel eyes. So you have a hazel eyes, I guess. Let's party together. They want to party with you, or you might have already partied with this person. Amber eyes. So eyes are very much prominent over here. This person loves your eyes. I want to bite on your cheek. Okay, they love your cheek. Hot. They're saying that you're very hot. I don't want anyone, only you. They don't want the third party. They want only you. An artist. So this can be an artist, or you can be an artist. You can be more popular on social media, or you are doing some kind of business on Instagram, or you might be doing any kind of business in Instagram, something like that. You are constantly reminded to me. See, universe is constantly giving them lot of signs about you. That's why this person want to transform now. I love your singing. So you can be a singer. This person loves your singing. I made a wrong choice in the past. See, they are saying that everything is here. They made a wrong choice in the past. Baby boy. This person has a baby boy, I guess. Or you both will have a baby boy in future, something like that. Divorced. They're going through a divorce, or they might be legally separated. I need to feel your touch. They want to touch you. They want to feel you. They feel more powerful with you. Propose. They will propose you definitely, guys. If you're waiting for a proposal, this person will come and propose to you. This person can be from Sikh community. Gold ring. They wanted to gift you a gold ring. Beautiful nose. They love your nose. I'm so sorry. I love you. They love you. Pregnancy. So definitely they wanted to get you pregnant, so be careful. I'll love you till my last breath. They want to love you till the end of their life. Okay. Lovers. Definitely lovers is here, so definitely this person loves you a lot. Okay, guys. I guess this reading has resonated with you. If resonated, please like, share and subscribe. Let's move ahead to pile number 2. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. Pile number 2. Whoever has chosen this evil eye. Okay, the first 2 cards are 7 of Swords and 8 of Swords. It means that this person has already ghosted you or blocked you from everywhere. And their sun signs could be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I think they are very much stuck or restricted in their own head. They're thinking a lot about this relationship. With 7 of Swords, this person has already cheated on you and you're still waiting upon this person that they will come and they will unblock you, they will speak to you, something like that. With 8 of Swords, definitely this person is restricted and stuck somewhere or the other. This person is stuck. We'll see what is the clarified cards over here, but right now you are not on talking terms with this person. Okay, the sun signs could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn are prominent over here. Again 8 of Swords is here. Okay, so this person is stuck. Your relationship is on hold. Rest of your clarified cards we will check out later on. So with the Knight of Swords, Eight of Swords and Two of Pentacles, this person is struggling with the money matters. They are having issues with the profession as well as you. I guess they are juggling between both of you. Okay, that is the problem. That is why this person is acting as so much weird. Okay, they wanted to offer you marriage, they wanted to propose to you. You are waiting from 1 year, I guess, for this proposal, but somehow, because this person is struggling with lot of money problems, they are stuck in their head what to do, what not to do. They are not taking any action. Knight of Swords is a card wherein this person will take action towards you. They are coming with a message, or they are coming traveling towards you. Once they will work on this coins, they will come back. Okay, so don't worry, just relax your mind, don't take so much of tension. Your divine timing is here, I guess. So this person will definitely come. With the Fool card, he will travel towards you. He will give you a surprise or something like that. You had a big fight with this person somehow, but now this person wanted to protect you fully and completely. They wanted to protect you and give you this proposal or be with you. They are coming definitely with the Judgment card. They are walking towards you. They wanted to, forget about all the past, and they wanted to start a new beginning with you. This person is coming. Okay, they are coming with an offer of love. See, Hierophant. They can give you commitment. This can be a traditional marriage. With Knight of Cups, they are romantically feeling about you. They want to propose you, they want to romance you, take you for dates, they want to do a lot of things. So there are a lot of surprises which are coming towards you. With the Hangman, they are awakening. This person can be a teacher, this person can be your professor, they can be from a government job or something like that. They work in a school, they teach students, something like that. They are seeing this relationship in a new perspective, and definitely they are coming with this offer of love, and you will be very, very happy. You will be very content that this person has come back. Just ignore these things. If you wanted to be in a relationship, you need to sacrifice somewhere or the other. Okay, any which ways, let's go ahead with the advice. So your first advice is that they will come secretly in the night on a full moon. They'll come and message you or text you or come and meet you, and they will speak to you regarding their feelings. You intuitively know that this person loves you a lot. They wanted to give you a commitment. They are coming. A lot of people are backbiting about your relationship because they don't like your relationship. They are in a karmic relationship, so they don't want to see you in this twin flame connection. They are coming with this offer. Okay, Page of Pentacles is here. So they will give you an offer of love. They will give you a long-term security. You will be very, very happy. Marriage is there on the card, as I can see over here with the Sun card. Next advice is chanting. So do Om chanting. That would be very good for you. 8 number, 888 number, you will see everywhere wherever you go. Other than that, Cupid has hit already this person, and they are coming back towards you. This person is totally in love with you, and they will surprise you. They will come and meet you. They will be a little bit hesitant. Don't worry, just relax and speak to this person. You can also be a little bit hesitant, but enjoy that moment. Okay, Phoenix is here. So Phoenix rising, your new phase will start. Okay, you will rekindle this relationship. You'll renew this relationship with each other. So your relationship is going to grow. Okay, from now onwards, this relationship will transform and grow and change into a positive manner. Soulmates, you both are soulmates, guys. You can see this is a soul connection. You can do something in partnership once you meet this person. Agreement is here, so it means that you might sign, or you might do a court marriage or something like that. This person will do court marriage with you. You have a soul contract. Don't think that this person is a cheater or something like that. Don't make stories in your head. This is your soulmate. Okay, let's see your personal messages. French kiss. This person has already messaged you or told you that this person want to give you a French kiss. Okay, I love your bag. This person just loves your bag. Okay. America, they can be from America, they are working in America, they are an NRI, something like that. Short hair, this person can have short hair, or you have short hair. You are my empress, so this person feels that you are this person's empress. I hate when you talk to others. I guess you are talking to so many people right now, so they don't like it. Okay, so stop doing that. Sometimes you hurt me, so your words are hurting this person somehow, so don't use any bad words, just relax. Okay. So live in the moment. I want to see the world with you. So they wanted to take you on a world tour. Sarcastic, they can be a little bit sarcastic, they can be your boss for some of you. You are my rock star, so they think that you are a rock star. Child divine, so they think you are a child divine, you know everything. Style, your style is like mesmerizing, they love it. I'm facing my karma. Somehow this person is facing their karma. If they have cheated on you, they have a lot of issues in their professional life, they are struggling with their money, something like that. Addictions, so they are suffering from addictions, or they are drinking too much, they are shopping too much, they are spending too much somehow. Elope with me, so they want to elope with you. I want to talk to you, they will definitely gonna talk to you, come and meet you once. Sometimes everything is so scary, so this person is very they're scared of commitment. Wheatish, this person can have wheatish complexion. Romantic sex, they wanted to do sex with you. Cap collection, they have a cap collection with them. Cut on the face, they have a small cut on their face. This can be prominent for most of you. Kisses on your neck, they want to kiss you on the neck. So this person is very much passionate about you, they want to make out with you. Forgiving, so they want your forgiveness. Tall, they can be tall. Flirt, they want to flirt with you. Balance, they want a balanced relationship with you. Flight steward, they can be working in the aviation industry. Drinking, they have drinking problem, or they drink a lot. Phone addict, they can be phone addict, they are watching your pictures, scrolling your pictures, seeing your videos, laughing, crying, enjoying everything. 40-50-year-old, so this person can be 40 or 50. Small stick, so they have a small stick. Okay, not a big stick. Any which ways, this was your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, you can contact me through email, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in the next video. Ciao.